To verify the validity of a credit card, we're going to follow this four-step method. The first step is to add up the first and third number in each group, and then multiply that sum by 2. So the first thing we're going to do is add up the first and third number. So the 4 and 0, the 1 and the 3, the 5 and the 7, and the 9 and the 1. So adding all that together, so 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 1 gives us 30. So then we're going to take this 30 and multiply it by 2 to get 60. Okay, the second step is to count up the number of digits in the first and third place of each group that are 5 or more. So from the numbers that we just added, I'm going to check off the ones that are 5 or more. So it's 5, the 7, and the 9. So 3. Okay, the third step is now we're going to add up the second and fourth number in each group. Okay, so the 0 and the 0, 2 and 4, 6 and 8, 0 and 0. Okay, so adding that together, 2 and 4 is 6, and 6 is 12, and 8 is 20. Okay, the final step is to add everything together from steps 1, 2, and 3. So I'm adding all of those numbers together. So the 60, the 3, and the 20 gives me 83. Now, if this is a valid credit card number, this number should be divisible by 10. So if I had 83 and divided it by 10, I would get 8 times with a remainder of 3. So this is not divisible by 10. Because you should get no remainder. So this credit card number is not valid. If we wanted to make it valid, I would need a number that's divisible by 10. So you have two options there. You can either go down to 80 or up to 90. If I go down to 80, I would have to go down by 3. Or if I want to go to 90, I would have to go up by 7. So if you take a look at what's going on, the only numbers that really could change are anything in the third step, because you just simply added those together. The number that should change is what's called a check digit, which is the last digit. And so that was a 0. So if I wanted to get down to 80, I would just have to subtract 3, and I can't do that. So if I want to get to 90, I would add 7. So to make it valid, the new check digit would have to go from 7 or 0 up to 7. So then this 0 from the third step would become a 7, making the step number 4 into a 90, and that's divisible by 10.